Welcome to labpedia.net. Today I am going to talk about prealbumin, and I will go with different topics on prealbumin. First of all, what are the best sample for estimation of the prealbumin? So it can be done on the serum of the patient, and also it can be done on 24-hour urine samples. What are the indications? It is used to assess the nutritional status, and this can be work up in a patient with kidney diseases. Now, the precautions: in case of inflammation, the results are not representative. While some of the drugs like anabolic steroids, they can increase the level, while other drugs like estrogen and contraceptive, they decrease the value. Pathophysiology: prealbumin is synthesized mainly in the liver. This was called transthyretin because of its binding with the thyroid hormones. Prealbumin has the same concentration in the serum and the CSF. And prealbumin is the fastest moving protein in the serum electrophoresis. Prealbumin also binds with vitamin A, so then it is called as retinol binding protein. Zinc is required for the synthesis of prealbumin, so low level of zinc will give deficiency. Low level occurs in the zinc deficiency of the prealbumin. Now, prealbumin has got very short half-life as comparison to albumin. Albumin half-life is 21 days, while prealbumin half-life is just 48 hours. So this is the best indicator in case of any nutritional deficiency. Now, prealbumin can be also used to diagnose any leakage from the nose, whether it is from the brain or it is just nasal secretions. Normal values are adult 19 to 38 milligram per deciliter, and more details you can see on our website labpedia.net. But in severe protein deficiency, prealbumin level will be 0 to 5 milligram per dl. In moderate protein deficiency, this level will be 5 to 10 milligram, while in mild protein deficiency, the level is 10 to 15 milligram. Prealbumin is increased in chronic alcoholics, patients with corticosteroid therapy, Hodgkin lymphoma, kidney diseases. The decreased level of prealbumin is seen in case of malnutrition, hypothyroidism, liver diseases, inflammatory conditions, in case of trauma like burns, in chronic diseases, in some digestive diseases, and cancers. The more detail you can see on our website labpedia.net. labpedia.net.